got some big cypress trees. So there you go.
Yeah. These are 10 years old.
Wow. Cypress trees galore. Man, they've grown a lot since I've really, maybe I came through here and didn't even know that these, fantastic.
There it is. I was trying to get around him so that it wouldn't be blowing on us, and he turned around. I need the gate key. Please. We're gonna go over to the spring.
Okay,
I need your keys. I didn't bring mine.
okay. In the men's room, in the black bag, unzip it, pair of blue jeans in the pocket.
Okay, guess what we just saw?
Bigfoot.
No.
I've been wondering about Bigfoots out here. I didn't
Nobody's
even bring
seen
my
them in a
pistol.
while. I just thought if you hadn't seen anything in a while.
Well, I didn't bring my pistol or anything.
I hadn't ever physically actually seen one. I thought I had, till I saw a picture of one the other day.
And then it all came back to you.
I mean, it all came back to me. He was this tall, pileated woodpecker.
Oh yeah, he flew over.
We were chasing him.
He flew right over me when I was mowing.
Really?
Down by the garden.
Oh yeah. Oh, down by the garden. Okay. Well, you stirred him up when you were down there by the
Yeah,
the
he's a
bluff.
big one.
He is. That was so cool getting to see that.
I thought it was Woody Woodpecker at first, but I think it's just a descendant.
Second cousin, twice removed.
I saw a swamp rabbit last week.
He did. Tell him about that.
They're huge.
How big was it?
It's like a kid in a rabbit costume jumping around.
Serious. It was down there.
It's like a fat, short-legged dog.
Probably Sasquatch was right behind him, wanting something to eat.
Chasing him.
It's
Yeah.
down by the river where those cypress trees.
We just came from there. All right. Well, we're gonna go to the spring.